Now, in the last example, we've finished this problem. Now, let's move on. Question example 3. Draw the free body diagram of a fridge magnet. Alright, let me capture the diagram. Let me capture the diagram. So this is the fridge magnet. So so what are the forces acting on it? Let's make it a larger arrow. Alright. Now, firstly, there must be weight acting down, and then to balance it, because it's in equilibrium, there must be a force, an upward force. But this time, this force must be the friction, because the magnetic force doesn't act upward. So let me draw the magnetic force. It's pulling it into the fridge door. So the magnetic force is goes somewhat like this. This is the magnetic force, and then to stop it from going into the door, there must be some sort of force. So this is the normal reaction. So let me turn it 180 degrees. Alright, make it a little bit longer. So this is the force prevent it from going into the door. So these are all the forces acting on it. So let's label the forces. So the forces here are the weight, and then we have the friction from the door, and then we have magnetic force, and then we have normal reaction from the door. So weight acts downward, friction is prevent it from falling down, and the magnetic force is pulling it into the door, and the normal reaction stop it from going into the door. So this is the free body diagram. Okay, this is the free body diagram. Now we come to another example. This is 04-8. The photograph shows a sucker sticking a hook to the brick wall. Which of the following forces balance the gravitational force acting on the sucker and the hook by the earth? Simple. It's the same, almost the same as the previous question. So let me capture the screen. Alright, so the forces acting on the sucker is weight. So it's weight, and then to balance the weight, there must be an upward force. Okay, upward force. But this upward force has nothing to do with the air pressure, so it must be the friction. So so what's if I so this is the friction, and then there is forces due to the air pressure. The forces due to the air pressure acts this way, and then the wall has got a normal reaction which acts this way. So the answer for this question is A, must be the friction. That's the